visual problems to remind us of some of the things that we learned. And this first one, there's a question, and they're saying between A and I, which one has the lower freezing point? So we have to think back about our freezing point and depression equation, and we realize that it says that the amount of freezing point depression, which will lower the temperature, is proportional to the amount of solutes dissolved. And if I look at this, you see in the background is all the water, and the bright things in red and green are the solute that has been dissolved. And we can see that A here has more solute dissolved in it than I does. So this has more freezing point depression, which means it's going to have the lower freezing point. Now a second one. Okay, on this one, they're talking about A and I again, and it says they are separated by a semi-permeable membrane as shown in E. So really this thing is what's in this side, this is what's on that side. So we can see that the left side has a higher concentration of dissolved stuff in it, all right? It asks, what molecules would flow across the membrane? Well, these ions are not going to flow across the membrane. So what's going to flow across the membrane is water. Now, in what direction is it going to go? It's going to go in a way so that it will try to equalize the concentrations. So the water is going to have to flow in this way in order to make these particles be further apart because there's more water to spread them out. So water is going to go to the left. And one more. We have beakers. G and H, and they want to know which one is at a lower temperature. So we look at the pictures and we realize that what they've got here is a liquid. They've got a top put on the beaker so that the vapor can't escape. So what has happened here is these have gone into equilibrium between water in the gas phase and water as vapor. And then you can look at it and see that this one has more vapor water molecules than this one does, which means this one must be closer to boiling. The vapor pressure is higher here. It's closer to boiling. Oh, well, this must be the one that's hotter. Oh, well, they asked, though, which is it lower? Then it must be this one that's at a lower temperature.